Hi, and welcome to Darkness Travels. You might have noticed the shot of the big pine tree behind me. You could even see it if you look closely. Today is a very special day. Since about 1995, we get together and we go to a tree farm. We pay for a Christmas tree and we put a live tree up at Dark Nest. So just wanted to film some of that today, and I have a very special hat for you. I don't know if you might have seen it in my hand, maybe not, but I will show you that, and that just means that I'm getting ready. We are getting ready to go to Western's Tree Farm. Here it is. It is my Grinch hat. Hopefully you got a good round shot of that. We bought this down in Universal Studios, Florida. 2003, we took a trip down there during the December of that year, and I bought one. It reminded me back in my teenage years when I was miserable and still taking trips with my mom and dad. We went to Disney World, and I bought a goofy hat that had the dangling ears. It was a baseball cap, and everyone spotted me because I'm 6'5" and I was tall back then, walking through the crowd because I had this silly looking hat. So when we were at Universal Studios, I bought this hat, and I wear it once a year when we go get our Christmas tree, because it's fitting and it's seasonal and it's fun. So I hope you enjoy the hat. It's no longer my Cajun Encounters hat, which I usually wear for DIY projects or when I don't feel like brushing my hair. My Cajun Encounters hat was from New Orleans. We took the kids in 2005, the summer before Katrina, and boy was it hot. My Cajun Encounters hat was purchased from a Honey Island Swamp Tours, which was a really great tour to take if you're ever down in that area, if it still exists today. And that's all I have on hats. We'll see you at the tree farm. This year's a little bit more sad. My grandma Ruby, who passed away in May, isn't going to be with us today, which she usually was, and I'll show a picture of her with a photobomb by Santa last year when she went with us for the Christmas tree. She loved coming up to Dark Nest, and we miss her so much because she loved the holiday. I loved when she come up here. Enjoyed coming into the old schoolhouse because that's what she attended when she was in her youth. So it kind of brought back memories for her. So come along, join us on our trip to Western Tree Farm today, and I hope to get some good footage. Thanks for coming back. We are at Western's Tree Farm, where they do offer a horse-drawn sleigh ride and a tractor ride. Oh, someone wants to commentary on Darkness Travels. And
we never get on the horse ride. One year
no,
we did.
We never do, just because it seems to be more busy on the horse ride, drawn carriage, than it does the tractor carriage. So they offer a lot of trees here, and I did film you the price list that changes year to year sometimes, depending on abundance and I guess demand. So maybe I'll get some footage on the ride. Alright, you can see behind me the tree farm, and we're heading out to grab our Christmas tree. Maria, are you on the scout? She's getting brave. She's on Darkness Travels. We're kind of looking for a tall one, like I keep repeating myself. And there's Coco's uncle. We need to find a taller Fraser fir. Action's happening down there. We got an 8-foot Fraser fir tree. We're trying to get down to the bottom as we can. We might just trim up some of the branches. But there's our tree. That's going to be inside Dark Nest. Has it got a hole in it?
Does it?
Yeah.
That's how they put that, they drill one in, is that what they do?
Yeah.
And it's only for people that have those stands.
Yeah.
One glass at a time.
This is Tim 2 decorating without the help of his big siblings. This is the last year in the nest where he lives full time at Dark Nest. And he's without his siblings. And we were, with a whimsical nostalgia, we were watching home videos during Thanksgiving. And we saw Tim 2's first Christmas tree. It was a branch, and he was carrying it around the tree farm. Now he's carrying big boy trees, and he misses all his big siblings to help him.